We've kind of forgotten what we're supposed to say on these videos.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel.
12 months it's been, 12 months. But we thought we've got to take you on this. Because if you can have a look behind us, we're on a boat. And we've got the van with us. First time in a long time. We're going on a holiday and we're not going on a plane, are we?
I know.
So we thought you'd like to see this. The van is in France, darling.
We are in France.
How long it took me to get here? I managed to go all the way down to Leeds.
No, we said we should have got in the
Does anybody remember Lex?
No.
Lexi's back, baby.
I got the radio.
Hi, Mills.
Hi.
Got the radio.
Hi, Rory. Where are we, Rory? France. We're in La France.
Yes, we are.
And look, where's the first place?
The first stop.
Look who we're with. The wife and Charlie. Where's the first place we stop? Wine Superstore.
Yeah, baby. Did you know they do wine tasting in here as well? So technically you could come in, have a few sips, you know,
I need that plate.
get a flavour for it.
I need that number plate.
She wines, he wines.
Wonderful
Let's wine
swap.
together.
It is perfect for them. Let's have a look what's in here, eh? It's like when Max and Paddy come over here to fill up the Phoenix Club cellar. You're going for something different for a change?
No.
Looking for my mother's eyes as I'm staying close to the mirror. A lock of gold, a secret smile, little things I remember. Place a hand upon my heart as she was a believer. Sometimes I can feel her arms holding me as forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you. I see in you my mother's eyes, and I lay your head to my shoulder. A lock of gold, a secret smile, I will tell you when you get older. I place a hand upon your heart, every beat is taking me over, and I will hold you in my arms, pretend we'll stay here forever. Time changes everything.
So we're on the road again this morning, heading for his next stop, where we will be staying for quite a few days actually. I think we all deserve some well needed chill out time, no driving, kids playing in the pool. But we was just checking out of the campsite that we ended up at last night. Didn't do really any filming of that because we was all knackered by the time we got there. And Danny comes out with some fresh croissants. Little morning treat while we're on the road. So we're going to tuck into them.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that we I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about.
So it's now Saturday morning, and we're at the site where we're staying for quite a few days now. We're all set up. And after a bit of a nightmare start when we got here, we're now settled, and we couldn't ask for a better picture location. Have a look at this. So we're parked here, Charlie and Stu are there, and Liam and Dee are just behind us there, just through the trees, and right there is the lake. Massive inflatables for the kids, and the water park is there. So more than happy with that. So we're just waiting for everybody to get sorted, get all the stuff together, then we're gonna go have a day at the lake. So I'll show you what that's like when we get down there.
We've got a wheelie behind us. We had a thunderstorm last night. It was cracking. It just kind of cleared the mugginess. We're heading down to the lake, which is absolutely dead today. The kids are all on this big inflatable thing, and I think Stu's gone on as well, and it is huge. It's absolutely dead. Yesterday you couldn't move for four.
This is like a different place today, Dee.
I mean, look at that.
There.
There's no bugger here today, is there?
No, it's crazy. Crazy to say that you couldn't move yesterday for people. I wish we'd have waited till today to come down to spend the day here, unlike yesterday.
Yeah. And there's a bit of cloud, isn't there? But it's still mid-20s. Glorious, glorious. A little bit cooler today. I've had to come in with the old t-shirt on because I'm absolutely burnt to high heaven. Beautiful. Right, this is Rory doing a big jump, guys. 3, 2, 1, go! Yay! Swim, baby. Rory, swim. You're swimming very good. We're playing football. Whoa, that's a good kick. I get it. You ready?
Ooh.